This is how to create contact groups in Google. So to start, you're going to want to go to contacts.google.com, and then you're going to search up whoever you'd like to add. So for this example, I'm just going to be adding the Miller Innovation Team. And then I'm going to click on Label, and then Create Label. And just save that. And then say I also want to add this Nidec. And I'd add her to my label, click Apply. And then you can see now I have 2 people under my label. And then once you're in Gmail, you can just type out the label's name, click on that, and now you have all the people in your label as the recipients of the email. Thanks for watching.